We got the dingo here ready to backfill. We've got some gravel down in the footing because concrete is heavy. And we've got this thing, the wall braced. Getting the concrete in the morning. Happy Easter, everyone. You'll see this after Easter. I call my best buddy, and he's helping me out in case we have extra concrete. My old strawberry bed is going to be Mom's new patio. Looks like we're going 8 foot by 12 foot. Let's see how much extra concrete we got in the morning. Whoa! I'm as red as your shirt. We got a little extra gravel, so that's filled in and ready for some concrete. Oh, waiting. Concrete. We're braced and ready. Let's go. You wild cat. Let's go. That means come.
We ain't got time to be doing shit again.
Oh, there we go. They got extensions now. We got. That's what we need. Wish us luck. Can't get any closer than that. It's a pretty narrow opening. There it is. Oh boy. We're gonna have a lot of overflow. Okay, this is the tough part. Up. Brag that my plastic tub top idea really is the best. Help. I was holding that a minute ago on that sidewall. Oh yeah. The straightaway is gonna be easier than that sidewall was. Man with the plan. The master at work. I fell on that hill yesterday, by the way. Halfway done, we got to come around the corner and get that other wall, which was the tough part. All right, good thing we got this dingo because we're going to load this bucket. We got a yard of concrete that I can go ahead and put in Mom's new pad. The last thing I wanted to video to show y'all is if you want to make life easy on yourself, go ahead and put your bolts down in this concrete as it's setting up, because all you got to do now is drill holes in your plate, wood plate that goes down, and then we're going to start building. Hey. Proof's in the pudding. Oh. I'm working. Got a piece of rebar on each side because it's just going to be a pad. But I'm having to scrape this out level to our framing, which is these 2x4s. Build it yourself. I tried to put a flower and a leaf imprint, but good enough. There's our coffee pad. There we go. That's for you, Mom. I love you so much.